Hi everybody, it's Millie in the morning because I just woke up. Okay, well today I'm going to show you how to make plant-based milk. And in particular, I'm going to be making almond cashew milk. Usually I make just almond milk, but I wanted to try something a little different. So this is the first time I'm actually going to be doing this exact combination. So let me show you what I got. So here is about a cup of half almonds, half cashews. I put it in the refrigerator overnight, soaked in water. So it should make it soft enough. And I'll show you what I'm going to use. Now you can see this machine behind me right here. And this is actually the Almond Cow. Look at this cute little logo, huh? That's adorable. And this is what I'm going to use to make this almond milk. Now, I'm not sponsored by them, but hey, what's up, Almond Cow? I just wanted to show you how I make almond milk, you know? Whatever. So this top comes off, right? This part is just empty, and you can see in here that there's some lines, or maybe not. It says max and min, and you fill up the water to that line. And then here's the top part. You take off the bottom. You got a blade in there, and then this part is where you're going to put the nuts of your choice. Measured out my almond and cashews, and they fit right on that line where the one is. So I'm going to put this on. I'm got to kind of move it around in order to fit right. Okay, and then lock it and put this on. There water's in here, and it dips in the water just a little bit. Okay, now you notice this doesn't have a power cord. So how does it work? The power cord separates, detaches, which I think is pretty cool, especially when you're cleaning it, because you don't have to want to worry about the power cord. So it plugs in right here, and the light turns on. You ready? I am so ready. I want some cereal. I want some cereal, you guys. Okay, it is actually done. It only takes about 30 seconds, and you just have to press that one button. So it's very easy. It's hard not to do it right. Okay, now let's take this out and see what we got. Alright, I have a container on the side here because this gets messy. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. And I'm gonna take this off. By the way, this is really soft, and it's just cool to touch. I know it's weird. Okay, so here is the almond cashew milk at the moment, and it is still draining. I usually put this on the side so it can drain a little bit more. While this is draining a little bit, I just wanted to say you can make almond milk or cashew milk or whatever kind of milk by yourself in a blender. You don't have to use this fancy machine. It was actually a gift for me one year. But what you do in a regular blender, you still soak, let's say the almonds, you know, for at least an hour in water. And then you take the almonds, you put it in water in the blender, and you blend it, right? Until you only see little pieces of almonds. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so you can see what I got here. Ooh. What's nice about this is that you don't have to strain out the solids because it does it for you. Man, I guess I'll put this right here. Okay. So this is what you got. Right, this is the leftovers. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna put it in a separate container. And I gotta help it out a little bit because it's not quite ready. So I'm just gonna press it along the sides to help get out some of that. Look at that. But I think this is much easier than using the other method where you have to take out these solids yourself. But you see how fine that is? It's really fine. So I've heard what you can do this is you could actually make almond meal out of it, or you can make flour or breads. And what you have to do is, of course, dry this out and then put it in the oven and really help dry it out even more. I haven't done that. I usually save this for a little while in hopes that I'm gonna do that, but then I end up being lazy and having to throw it away because it goes bad. I know it's terrible. I'm not a great role model for almond and cashew leftovers. So I don't know if you can tell, but it is getting drier. Okay, so I think this is pretty good. I've gotten a lot of stuff out of it, so I'm just gonna pour in this container for now, which I will leave in the refrigerator until I do nothing with it. Now for the taste test. And of course I added things to it. That was really good. Yeah, that's going in my cereal today. This will keep about a week, so I try to use it by a week. And I've noticed, I only recently started adding the vanilla extract, and that makes it go bad faster. Which I'm saying a week rather than 10 days. So if you want it to last even longer, don't put the vanilla extract in it. It does something to it, sours it, I don't know. Hey, just thought I'd add that it's pretty easy to clean the machine. This is the hardest part because of all the little holes in here. And the rest is really easy. For this, they actually provide you a bamboo toothbrush that you could use to scrub it, but I don't ever use it and I get everything out just fine. Just wanted to show you how the Almond Cow works and how I make my own nut milks. Usually it's just almonds, but I wanted to try something a little bit different. And I feel like the cashews come through more in this. Bye! This is the video that never ends. Yes, it goes on and on, my friend. Just kidding. I just wanted to make me some cereal and not spill it everywhere. Ignore this. Bye.